Welcome back to Auto No. 1, your go-to destination for the latest car updates, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Tata Safari, a name that resonates with adventure, capability, and bold design. Let's find out what makes this new Safari a standout in the SUV world. Exterior design. 0-30 to 130. Close-up shots of the front grille, DRLs, alloy wheels, and rear design. Narrator. The 2025 Safari carries forward Tata's evolving design language with a strong and refined presence. Up front, it features a revised grille with a glossy black finish, sleeker LED DRLs, and a more sculpted bumper. The silhouette remains familiar but more aerodynamic, and the 19-inch diamond-cut alloys give it a powerful stance. At the rear, connected tail lamps and a reprofiled tailgate give it a fresh yet premium look. Interior and features. 130 to 245. Showcase of dashboard, steering, infotainment screen, seats, and ambient lighting. Narrator. Step inside, and the 2025 Safari welcomes you with a more tech-rich and premium cabin. The highlight, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. The materials feel more upmarket, with soft touch surfaces, dual-tone upholstery, and ambient lighting. You also get ventilated seats, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and a 10-speaker JBL audio system, perfect for long journeys. Engine and performance. 245 to 345. Shots of the engine bay, off-road shots, city driving. Narrator. Under the hood, the 2025 Safari retains the trusted 2.0-liter Cryotech diesel engine, delivering around 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic. While it's tuned more for comfort than outright sportiness, the Safari handles surprisingly well for its size. Tata has also enhanced the suspension for a smoother ride, and it now comes with multiple driving modes: Eco, City, and Sport. Safety and verdict. 3:45 to 5 o'clock. Crash test badge, ADAS visuals, family getting into the SUV. Narrator. In terms of safety, Tata has leveled up with the inclusion of ADAS features like lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and autonomous emergency braking. The Safari is also expected to retain its strong global NCAP safety credentials. So, should you buy the 2025 Tata Safari? If you're looking for a feature-loaded, premium 7-seater SUV with rugged DNA and urban sophistication, the new Safari is a top contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto No. 1 for more car content just like this.